Hey guys, welcome back to Taisha's Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious, mouth-watering Haitian food recipes on YouTube. Today I have a super delicious seafood soup that I would love to share with you guys. It's delicious, it's healthy, and it's easy to make, okay? I am going to keep this very simple. Just follow everything that you see on the video and you'll love this recipe. So if this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Please consider to subscribe. I am sharing lots of Haitian food recipes and my natural hair journey, and I also discuss about life topics. So if you have any requests, do not hesitate to put your comments. You can always email me at taishacuisine@gmail.com. Okay guys, so let's get started. As you can see here, I have lots of vegetables and seafood. So for this recipe, I would recommend that you take a good look at everything that you see on the table so that you can make a list. When you're ready to make this soup, I would recommend that you get everything. For this recipe, I am using the Jonah crab claws and the swordfish. I do have another video on this channel that shows you exactly how I prepare this fish or how I season it up. Please, I would recommend that you take a look and watch this video so that you can see how I do it. And I also have a bag of a seafood mix. This is how it looks like. I would recommend that you get that as well. So here's the list of the vegetables. I have tomatoes, I have bell peppers, I have onions, corn, red potatoes, and carrots. So to start, I am going to use a saucepan. You can use butter, but I'm using olive oil. And of course, my Haitian épices, which is a blended spice with garlic, scallions, thyme, parsley, all the good stuff. So once the Haitian épices start turning brown, I add the bell peppers, the tomatoes, the onions. By the way, if you want to see how I prepare this Haitian seasoning, I have another video on that as well. Please be sure to take a look at it. I'm giving it a good stir, and right after I add the seafood mix, okay? And I'm going to give it a good stir as well. Be sure that all the seasoning, the Haitian seasoning is filled with good flavor. You know, I would recommend that you give it a try. And then the Jonah crab claws. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Just adding the seasonings, the bell peppers, the onions, tomatoes, and then the seafood. You're going to let this marinate nice and well. So now I'm going to add my dry seasonings. I'm using paprika and Italian seasonings, all the dry herbs. It has thyme, parsley, um, and I am going to add about a teaspoon of um, my hot sauce, which is the matuk. It's really spicy and it has lots of flavor. If you don't like spicy, you can definitely skip that. So now after I add all my seasonings, I am going to add the potatoes, the carrots, the corn, and I'm going to give it a good stir just to make sure all the flavor are well combined with everything, okay? Um, so guys, if you like everything that you're seeing so far, please consider to subscribe if you haven't done so. I am posting lots of delicious food recipes, especially Haitian food recipes on this channel. And I also discuss life topics and my natural hair journey if you are interested. So it's looking good already, right? So now I'm adding chili flakes pepper. I love chili flakes pepper because it will give it a little bit of pizzazz, okay? A little bit of zing, if you know what that means. So now I add water and I'm going to cover it up with the lid and let it boil for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, I'm going to add the swordfish, okay? Because I don't want the fish to be overcooked. So there it is. Once the water starts boiling, I add the swordfish and I'm going to taste. Guys, I would definitely advise you to make sure you taste. You keep on tasting when you're cooking because you want to make sure the taste is right, okay? So once the water is boiling, it is the time to adjust the taste. If you want more spice, if you need a little bit of more salt, definitely add a little bit. So yes, As you can see here, everything's looking super delicious, but this is not quite done yet. I am going to cover it up and let it boil a little bit more. I would say a good 15 minutes. And once this is done, I am going to add the lemon juice and parsley. That's the last step I'm going to do with this. Um, so yeah, guys, as you can see, it's looking good. Please share this video with your friends, your family. Definitely give this a try and inbox me, drop a comment. Let me know if you love this recipe. I also add a little bit of fresh pepper to that. So there it is. I have lime and parsley. I am going to squeeze the lime. This also will give it a nice taste. Definitely. I mean, you cannot eat seafood without some lime juice. The reason why I add it at the end because I want to taste the lime juice when I'm eating this. You can actually leave it on the side when you're eating it. You can squeeze it up a little bit on that. So there it is, guys. As you can see, this is looking super delicious. I really hope that you'll give it a try and let me know how this turned out for you. I'm going to enjoy this. Everybody loved it, of course. Enjoy. And thank you so much for watching. And add a comment if you have any questions or requests. You can always send in your request. Thank you, guys. I'll see you soon with more videos. Bye now.